Hey there! If you want to start earning money from home this week without stress or a huge learning curve, I've got you covered. The tools I'm about to share aren't just theoretical. These are real, beginner-friendly platforms that can help you start making money fast. When I was looking for my first online gig, I felt overwhelmed with options that seemed complicated or just didn't deliver. That's why these tools stand out. They're simple, they work, and they've been tested by me and countless others. Oh, and be sure to check the description below. I've included exclusive bonuses, templates, and Toolkit 4, which is designed to automate and scale your results. Don't miss it. All right, let's jump in. All right, here are the first 3 tools that can help you start earning right away. These are perfect for beginners and are designed for quick payouts. Tool 1. Instant Doodle. The first tool is Instant Doodle. This app transforms simple text into animated doodle videos, which are perfect for content creators, marketers, or educators. Why is this important? Animated videos grab attention, whether they're for social media, presentations, or courses. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer. The process is super easy, and you can start offering these as a unique service today. I've added the link in the description to help you get started. Tool 2. Live Chat Jobs. The second tool is Live Chat Jobs. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning from home. All you do is provide chat support to brands. You're simply answering questions and helping customers. No selling involved. If you enjoy helping people and you've got basic communication skills, this could be a great fit for you. Many of these roles are also super flexible, so you can work them around your schedule. The sign-up link is waiting for you below. Tool 3. WrityAppReviews.com. Next up is WrityAppReviews.com. This one's a no-brainer if you enjoy testing new apps and sharing your opinions. You don't need tech skills or coding experience. Companies are just looking for honest feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. I've even included some prompts in Toolkit 4 to help you write better reviews faster. Take a look in the description to get started. And by day 3, you could already have your first gig. Fast cash flow was a lifesaver for me when I was just getting started. Back then, I felt stuck, overwhelmed by options that didn't feel realistic or reliable. But tools like these, they instantly gave me a way to act. Instead of trying to figure everything out from scratch, I picked something simple and got moving. From testing apps to doing writing gigs, I built momentum. And that momentum, it wasn't just about earning a quick $50 or $100. It shifted my confidence, and soon I wasn't just surviving, I was building something bigger. If you're in a spot where you need quick wins, start here. These tools can give you that first taste of success. Now, once you've got that momentum, scaling becomes your next move. These last 2 tools are perfect for taking things further. Tool 4. Get paid to use Facebook, X, and YouTube. This tool lets you earn money for tasks on social media platforms like Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, and YouTube. From liking and commenting to sharing content, brands pay for engagement, and this is your chance to monetize the time you already spend scrolling. You'll find the link in the description. It's easy, quick, and perfect, even if you're just getting started online. Tool 5. Paid Online Writing Jobs. Finally, there's Paid Online Writing Jobs. This platform connects you with companies looking for help creating email drafts, blog posts, and even short ad copy. You don't need a fancy writing background to get started. What's great is the variety. One day, you might write a product description, and the next, help craft a social media caption. If writing is your thing, this is a flexible option with quick payouts. Toolkit 4 even comes with prompts to make writing faster and easier. Here's the deal. Toolkit 4, the AI Toolkit Essentials, ties all of these tools together. It automates repetitive tasks, includes ready-made templates, and helps streamline your workflow so you can scale your income faster. If you're serious about making this work, the Toolkit is your step-by-step guide to faster results. I get so excited hearing stories from people who've started using these tools. For example, Nikki S. from Detroit told us, "I started with paid online writing jobs and Toolkit 4. By day 3, I landed a $75 gig writing emails. It felt so good to finally see real results. Real tools, real results, and they're waiting for you now. All right, now it's your turn. Which of these tools do you want to start with first? Drop your choice in the comments below. I read every single comment, and I'd love to hear about your plans. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming, and you don't want to miss it. These tools gave me the momentum I needed when I was just getting started, and they continue to help thousands of people today. Everything I mentioned in this video, including Toolkit 4, is linked below. Make sure to grab what you need before the bonuses expire, and don't miss our bonus video, where I'll reveal my high-ticket affiliate stack that generates monthly income consistently. Trust me, you're going to want to see this next step.